Okay guys, the fun never stops when you are in Alpharetta, and Alpharetta is doing a lot this year with the restaurant week, and one restaurant that I'm really excited about, so excited that we will be doing an event here during restaurant week to try their food, is going to be Jang. If you haven't seen Jang on our channel yet, you can click the link below. We've already done the full interviews. You can watch that after this to learn more about them. But for now, today, we're gonna go through all of the offerings that they have, talk about those offerings for restaurant week, and try those offerings so that you have a heads up before you meet me here next month to try what this restaurant has to offer. So let's dig in. Okay guys, so we have gone into Jang again, as I've said. If you want to know more about Jang, click on the link below. We did a full review. Today, I want to talk about the offering that we are going to experience when we come back here on the 14th, which is unique. They are doing a 3-course meal, which is their appetizers, 1 of 4, 1 of 5 entrees, and dessert for only $40. So pretty awesome. Now, some of those things we have not got to try on our last trip at Jang. So I am here with Tina to walk you through these amazing offerings. As you can tell, this is a lot. So wish us luck as we go through this.
You can't start with the spicy stuff. I know that.
That is true. That is true. I cannot handle like these things that are like neon red are like scaring me. So I will leave those to Tina, and I will try these things that are pale. So yeah, those are lots and lots of dishes. As you can tell, we have a lot to go through. So let's jump into it. All right guys, so first we're gonna be talking about this dish that looks just as spicy. I think it is as spicy as it looks, which is tteok-bokki. During restaurant week, this comes with, I believe it's rice cakes, noodles, and dumplings. So pretty neat. I'm gonna have Tina talk about this and try this so I don't die on camera.
Righty. Okay, I'm really excited about this. These spicy rice cakes are obviously like super popular these days, and this has been sitting in front of me for a while, and I am so excited to try. It has glass noodles in them, in there too. Try not to get all of it.
Nice.
Ooh, look at that.
Noodle pool.
Yes, there's some green onions and sesame. And so restaurant week, this is what you'll be able to get. And normally, apparently, they also had dumplings and other things. Oh yeah, there's also fish cakes in here.
Ooh.
Yum, it's like one of my favorite ingredients ever.
Fish cakes. Okay, fish cake, I can probably handle more so than the...
It's redder than it is spicy. See, it's less spicy than it looks, is what I'm trying to say. He does not believe me, but it's true.
I want to believe you.
They are very slippery, so be careful. Don't wear white. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Okay. She's right. I can handle this spice.
It's so good. Oh my gosh. But see,
it's that nuclear reactor red that I'm scared of. But it's such a red.
I should have gotten more noodles.
It's so red. The thing could probably glow in the dark. So I was just like, am I gonna survive this? But it's actually a sweet, tangy, slightly spicy sauce.
So glass noodles, one of my favorite noodles. It's made with sweet potatoes, and at least this one is. And it is just the texture. It's like springy. It's not like your typical noodles. And it is just because it's been swimming around in this delicious red sauce. So flavorful. Oh my gosh.
Drowned in sauce. So this is going to be one of the appetizers that you can get. We're going to go through the other appetizer. All right, next, seafood pancakes. Check those out. Now, if you are not a seafood person, these also come vegan or vegetarian with vegetarian pancakes, but I do love how this looks. Check that out. So.
Ooh, that crunch.
Oh, yeah. Squid, shrimp, chives. Wow. They gave us both the sauce. I'm gonna try the sauce. Okay, like a vinegar base. Word on the street says this is a house-made soy sauce. It's going great with the pancake though.
Oh, my turn?
My mouth is full. I'm like,
Oh, I love seafood, so I'm very excited to try this. Oh, I love tasting all the seafood in here.
It is a lot. There's like a very strong presence of squid, fish.
Thick.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my gosh.
You can hear that crunch. You're not breaking your teeth. It's just really crunchy. All right, so these are 2 of the appetizers. The last one I think is gonna be one of my favorites that we're gonna talk about, and that is going to be the lettuce wrap. So let's get to it. This is the lettuce wrap. You get 2 choices of meat when you get the lettuce wrap. So those chicken, beef, and spicy pork. We got all 3 to try. I want to try the chicken personally, just because it seems safe for people like me. So I'm going to try the chicken. Whoa.
Ooh, be careful.
Oh my goodness. So
This is what you just gotta like shove in your mouth.
pretty much. It's not made for present. All right, ugly presentation. Here we go.
Wow. I'm impressed. I was not expecting him to eat the whole thing in one bite. Now, he can't say anything because his mouth is full, but from his expressions, I would say it looks like it is pretty tasty.
Oh yeah. It's savory, saucy, sweet, sour. There's so many flavors happening. Jalapeno just kicked in. And spicy.
It's a slice of jalapeno at the top, so why not?
Woo! All right, that was unique. And yes, I did one bite that thing, but it was very unique. There's so many flavors happening. There's this sauce at the base, like the house-made soy sauce, and that's kind of combining with the sauce that the chicken has its own flavor. Everything has its own flavor. So when you're eating this, you're tasting the lettuce, you're tasting the jalapeno, the protein, the sauce is cutting through. It's beautiful. I love it. It's like if you go to a Korean restaurant and you just get the lettuce and you just try to make your own wrap. This kind of does it for you.
All right, here we go. This is the lettuce wrap with beef bulgogi. You know, jalapeno slice on top with some green onions and sesame seed. It smells delicious. I love bulgogi, so I'm really excited. All right, here we go. We're gonna try not to make a mess, but no promises.
She's not gonna one bite this thing. She's just gonna take a bite. See, that's why I one bited it, because I knew if I tried to just bite it in half, I'd be wearing it. So.
Oh my God, this is so good. Because there's like the daikon radish, like a thin slice.
Oh yes, I forgot about that, yes.
And so that gives it a little, almost like a tanky flavor along with, it's just, everything balances out so well. And it's like, oh my gosh, I kind of want to one bite it now, but I know I can't. So I'm probably going to do it. I'm not going to embarrass myself on camera.
So since we've gone through these appetizers, we're now going to move on to the entrees. So let's start with the pork bulgogi. Okay guys, we're starting with the spicy pork because I want to get it over with. You know, face my fears. I'm staring at it like, man, how is this gonna work with me? But I think it'll be great. So check that out. Living in China for 4 years, I thought I became a black belt in chopsticks until I was introduced to Korean flat metal chopsticks, and I am not the best.
This is like expert level.
Yes, this is like black belt level. I'm more like a yellow with a stripe. All right, so there we go. Check that out. Looks delicious. It's vibrant. Very vibrant. Okay. I'm not dying yet.
It's more red than spicy.
Yeah, it's like, where's that red coming from? But it's not like, oh. Okay.
It's just a different like peppers and stuff they use in Korean cuisine, but it is still spicy. Don't get me wrong. If you don't eat any spice, don't get this. But
yeah, it's coming back and biting me.
Okay.
First I was like, oh, there's no spice here, and it's like, just
There is.
punch in the back of the throat. All right, so I'll have Tina try this and tell you what she thinks while I drink some water and recover.
Looks and smells. Oh, it smells so good because it smells like this smoky like pepper or I don't know. A little sweet, a little savory. I love this dish. I know I've said that like almost. Korean food is really tasty.
Does have a lot of flavors.
And you were right. I initially didn't feel any spice actually, but
You're like, okay, this isn't
After-
spot, and then it just comes
and
out.
now it's like, hey, actually, just kidding. We got
Yeah,
it. It's so good.
sneaks up on you. It waits for you to forget what you're doing, and then it just takes you out. Altogether, the sauce is great. If you're intimidated by flat chopsticks like I am, just
metal, you know?
yeah, just ask for a fork. Or just bring your own from your favorite Chinese restaurant. Okay, moving on, we're gonna talk about the other pork. Okay, so this is the charcoal pork. The difference here is hopefully less pain, and hopefully this is going to be something that, you know, is just delicious to eat. Oh, wow. Wow. Hey now. You know, okay, let me try this again. Now, at first glance, it looks like it's just, you know, pork that's been charcoal grilled, but not necessarily seasoned. But it is seasoned to death, you guys. It is seasoned very, very well. That's what threw me off. I was looking,
marinade, probably.
Yeah, I was looking at it like, okay, it's gonna be kind of like a, I guess they're focusing on the charcoal, but no, it's flavored deliciously.
I'm gonna try it. I'm curious. Gonna get some of that green onion too.
You know, I was just thinking that when I took that first bite and was like, you know, I forgot about the green onion.
You were right. It is so flavorful.
I know, it kind of throws you off, like, whoa.
This one's so colorful, flavorful.
Yeah.
And then you're like, oh, is this one not as flavorful? But no, it is insanely flavorful. That is good.
Yes, that's probably gonna be my go-to. Most likely, that will be my go-to dish when I come back here. Or the galbi, I gotta say, when I'm here, they're known for their galbi. They've won awards for their galbi. But we talked about the galbi in the previous video. We'll show a snippet of that if you wanna see it. But yeah, this is like my second go-to. Okay, so we now have the chicken teriyaki. I did not know these guys even had teriyaki, so here we go, and check that out. I came here, my goodness, when they first opened about a year ago. Ate my way through the menu, but didn't see this. Chopsticks. Here we go. It's probably gonna fall. Don't fall. Okay.
It looks very tender. Yeah.
What's getting me is a sauce. Let me try this again, because you know when I hear chicken teriyaki, I'm thinking overly like sweetened soy sauce, but this one isn't overly sweetened. It's actually balanced very well. Now, someone like me who had a sugar allergy, I'm very careful on how much sugar I eat, so I was worried at first, but this is not that sweet. It's just flavored very well.
How does it compare with the other dishes you tried? All the other marinated meat dishes.
It's kind of like in its own world.
Yeah.
These other dishes are seasoned. I mean, I don't know. That is woo good. That is woo spicy. And this is kind of like a combination of just slightly sweet, but more savory than the sweetness. So I love it.
I'm gonna try it with an onion. There are a little bit of onion pieces at the bottom. So if you hate onions, you don't have to eat it, but I love onions, so I'm gonna eat it. Very tender. I really like that. It is very different than the other dishes.
It's like in its own world.
Marinated, totally different, but it makes sense because it's not, you know.
It's a teriyaki.
Yeah. I like that though.
Because they all have a similar, something marries them all together. This one kind of stands alone. I love it. No. If you're coming here and you're like, all this Korean words like galbi and bulgogi like scare me, just go with chicken teriyaki, okay? Be safe. Be safe. It's okay. One will judge you here.
Or you can point at the menu.
Yeah.
Always go with that one when you don't know.
No, I will say, I mean, obviously, there's a lot around us right now. There's like all this on the table. You do get the galbi. Everyone who comes will get, the banchan. You will get the banchan. Everyone who comes will get the banchan. There's a lot of unique banchans available. You have, wow, what is that? Like a pickled?
Those are the cucumbers.
Ooh, they look spicy.
That looks like the cukes. If you take a bite, are you gonna try it?
I mean,
Crunchy?
yeah. Oh, yep, cucumber. It's just kind of sweet and saucy. Now, obviously at first glance, I thought I was going to die, but they're not that bad. You have kimchi, I can't say that, and broccoli, macaroni, potatoes, those noodles.
Yeah, japchae, which is like one of my favorites.
Japchae.
Yeah, it's the sweet potato glass noodles that I talked about earlier in the rice cakes. Yeah, but this is gonna like more like marinated and stir-fried, or I don't know how they did it personally, but...
What are these, collard greens? It's hard to say. I've never seen, wow, it's like a, seaweed?
Yeah. I was gonna say seaweed initially, but now that on closer look, oh yeah, it's seaweed.
Here we go. I'm gonna try this out, guys. So wish me luck. She's like,
Okay.
vinegar seaweed.
I love seaweed.
I love it, love it.
I'm gonna try the shop cake.
Go ahead.
It's like my favorite thing.
Look, there's a shiitake mushroom in here.
Shiitake.
Yeah. All right, the big bite, but oh well.
Good.
One of my faves.
There you have it, folks. Her fave. Now, Restaurant Week starts Monday, the 13th, and it goes on through the whole week. We will be back here on the 14th, so if you want to come by and try this with us, feel free to RSVP below, meetup.com/georgiafoodies, and we'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. I hope this was educational for you. Restaurant Week's happening that whole week. Definitely come back and take advantage of what you just saw, and we will see you guys soon.